Now I'm demonstrating the time review timing logging project. So here we start a server of the Expertisa, and also here's the database of this Expertisa project. And in our project, we will use this response times table to record the time spent on the review references. So now we can see that this table is empty because there's no review going on yet. And now let's log in using the student account to do some review. So here we log in the student 1771, and we found that there's a review need us to do, and we click it, and here's a list of the reviews, and we choose one of them here, and we enter the review page, which has questions and also the reference links and uploaded files that we need to check before we do some review questions. And now this database was empty, and once we click the links like GitHub, it will open in new window, and we can start to review it. And now if we check the database, it lives right into one record with the start time of our review of these links like GitHub. And for the uploaded files here, like the text files, we click it, it also pop up the dialog, and also we can view it in new window, and same with this text file. And if we check the database, yeah, there's two records for the files. And if we close the links and the files, and since before previously this in time was now because there's no now once we check, they write the end time into the database for these links and the files we closed. And also once we want to check the GitHub link again, we can click it. It will open the window as before, and in the database, it will set up a new record for this link with start time here. And previously, the link was reviewed with the start and end time, but that record was already complete. And as you open new link, it will write a new record into the database. And so that's the files, like here, text files. And if you check, it will write the new record for the text. So that's how it works to record time. And also that's there are some type of files that are not supported to view online in the browser, like for this SQL database file. If you click this, it will tell you to download the file to view it locally. So it will download the file instead of opening it in window. And in that case, if we check the database, it writes the time record into database with the starting time and now ending time, which is the end time of the review. So for this file, we approximate the review end time as when we click the save or submit button. At that time, it will write the end time into the database. So now let's click. So now let's save the file, save the review file, and it will ignore the case even these two pages, even these two links or files still open in a window because we are no longer reviewing. So if we check the database, all these uh, three records are written with the end time here as we click the save or submit button. So that's how it works, and it will not affect the usage for the next time when we open the review to continue to finish our questions. And also to deal with some edge cases, as you may turn to other unrelated pages when you open this one, we um, we record the interaction time with this page. Once you are not interacting with page, like your mouse is not moving, it will pop up this dialog that alert you to either continue to review this page or shut down and save the data to do other steps. So if you click OK, as you said before, it will continue review. But if you click cancel, it will tell you that the page is going to close and the data is saved. So that's how the review page for students works. And now let's turn to the instructor view. So once all the students finish the review, we can the instructor can log in to check their performance. So here we found the OSS project to review here, and we check the review report from the instructor account. And since there are lots of students and the review data, it will load some time. Once we enter the detailed page, we can find the students, and you can see that the table is showing the information about the review done by each student. And once we click the students link, it will show this reviewer's information here, and also the performance it has on the review. So here's a table that shows that this reviewer spent the 6 minutes on that round review mission, and here's the links it opens in order to answer review questions, and also the time it spent on each link as a window was open or before he clicked the save or submit button. And also we added the visualized section. If you click this alternative view, this also shows the proportion that the review students spend on this review mission. So that's the review time logging project. Thank you.